here. I need to ask you something. So,
What is it?
I have this recipe, and it's really great. My aunt gave it to me, and it normally serves like 6. But I'm wanting to prepare a special meal just for me and my hubby, kind of like a baby moon dinner. The kids are going to be at their grandparents this weekend. But I need to figure out how to like condense it, how to scale it down, so that Patrick and I can eat it and not have like tons of leftovers, because neither one of us are going to want to eat pork chops and rice for days. And I get all confused about how to change it. Do you think you could show me how to half a recipe? Is that how it works?
Oh, it's really easy,
Okay.
Carrie. It's you probably remember back from school. It's
Okay.
called ratios and proportions.
All right.
You remember that?
I'm an English person, but that does sound a little
Okay.
familiar. I've got the recipe right here.
These are my ingredients from the recipe. And I'm going to put that over the number of people that are served. Okay?
All right.
And
So originally it was 6.
This is the original. Okay. And now I need to figure out what's it going to be. Okay. So I'm going to say an equal to. Okay. And I want my new ingredients over the number of people
Really want to serve.
that you want to serve.
All right. Easy enough.
Okay, so this will be our new. Okay. All right, so if we look at pork chops, we're gonna do that one. So my ingredient says that I need 6 pork chops, and that serves 6 people. And now I want to know, well, in math, if we don't know something, because I don't know how many pork chops, I'm going to put an X. That's what I'm going to use. And then the number of people that I want it to serve is 2 people. Okay. So now we're going to just sort of take away the names, and we're going to rewrite it as an equation. And if you remember that we can cross multiply to get our answer. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 6. And I'm going to multiply the 6 times the x. So 12 is equal to 6x. And we divide by 6. And x is equal to 2. So you're going to need 2 pork chops.
Wow, simple enough. That almost sounds too easy, but I've got the rest of this recipe that I need to convert. So maybe while you're here, I better make sure I can do this.
That sounds like a good idea.
All right, so I'm going to erase what you've got here and leave your formulas there. And let me just take the pepper, I guess. So if I take 1 teaspoon of pepper for a serving of 6 people. And I set that equal to, I don't know how much pepper, so the variable x that you said, for 2 people. Does that look right so far?
That looks very good.
All right, and then just do my math. So 6x equals 2.
2, yeah.
And then, so x equals 2 over 6, which would be, for
And you want to
me,
simplify. Yeah.
1/3 teaspoon of pepper. I like stuff pretty spicy, but my husband doesn't, so
Yeah, and like I said, you can adjust recipes, but
that'll at least give me a starting place. Excellent. Thanks. Wow, Alina, you have really helped me to get my recipe together. I've got most of the ingredients here, I think, but I'm going to run to the store and get the last few things. Obviously, the pork chops and rice are needed. And I think I'm well on my way to a romantic baby moon dinner. Thanks again for your help.
Sounds wonderful. If you do have leftovers, I'll take some.
Alrighty.